10 powerful health benefits of clove water at night before bed. Imagine ending your day with a simple drink that not only relaxes you but also boosts your health while you sleep. That's the magic of drinking clove water at night. Cloves, those tiny spice cabinet staples, are not just for baking and curries, they pack a surprising health punch when soaked in water and consumed at bedtime. This warm, spicy drink is loaded with beneficial compounds. It may improve your digestion, enhance your liver health, and even help regulate your blood sugar levels. Whether you're looking to calm your body or just enjoy a restful night's sleep, clove water might just be the elixir you need. Today's video is all about the 10 remarkable health benefits of drinking clove water before bed, so why not give your body this nightly boost? As a bonus, we have added a nice clove water recipe towards the end of the video. Now, let's begin. 1. Improve digestion. Drinking clove water at night before bed may significantly improve digestion due to eugenol, a primary component of clove oil. Eugenol is known for its ability to increase the secretion of digestive enzymes, which are crucial for breaking down food efficiently. This may help in the faster digestion of meals consumed during the day. Also, it may reduce symptoms such as bloating and indigestion. Thus, your digestive system becomes more efficient and less prone to discomfort. Another crucial component in cloves that may aid digestion is fiber. While the quantity of fiber in clove water might be less compared to whole or ground cloves, the soluble fiber present may still help manage digestive pace and consistency. Fiber absorbs water, which may help to bulk up the stool and promote regular bowel movements. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who may experience irregularity or constipation, conditions that are less conducive to a good night's sleep. Moreover, cloves may contain antimicrobial properties. It may improve gut health by reducing the presence of harmful bacteria in the gastrointestinal tract. A healthy balance of gut flora is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. By reducing undesirable bacteria and promoting a healthier gut environment, clove water may help maintain an optimal digestive system. In fact, boiled water extract from cloves has been traditionally used to treat stomach and intestinal diseases. 2. Antimicrobial properties. Cloves are famous for their antimicrobial properties. That's why they may help stop the growth of bacteria. Eugenol, the key component in clove, may effectively combat a wide range of bacteria, fungi, and viruses. This compound disrupts the cell membrane of microbes, leading to their eventual death or inhibition. It is particularly beneficial for maintaining a healthy balance of gut flora and preventing the proliferation of harmful pathogens. The health benefits of cloves' antimicrobial activity are significant, especially for the digestive system. By reducing harmful bacteria in the gut, clove water may prevent and alleviate common gastrointestinal issues such as diarrhea, stomach upsets, and infections. For example, certain bacteria, like E. coli and Salmonella, may cause severe digestive problems. The antimicrobial properties of eugenol in clove water may inhibit their growth, reducing the risk of such illnesses. Moreover, the antimicrobial effect of clove water extends beyond the digestive system. It may also be beneficial for oral health. Cloves have been used traditionally as a remedy for dental issues because their antimicrobial properties help in controlling oral bacteria that may lead to dental plaque, tooth decay, and gum disease. Regularly using clove water as a mouth rinse may significantly reduce the presence of these harmful bacteria, promoting healthier teeth and gums. 3. Enhances liver health. Do you know that by having clove water at night before bed, you may contribute significantly to improved liver health? All thanks to several active compounds in cloves that specifically support liver function and protect it from damage. One primary element contributing to these benefits is the aforementioned eugenol. Eugenol is a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress in the liver, which is often a precursor to inflammation and liver disease. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, Eugenol helps maintain the integrity of liver cells and enhances liver health, preventing conditions such as fatty liver disease and hepatitis. Moreover, cloves may contain hepatoprotective agents. These agents specifically help safeguard the liver against various toxins that may lead to liver scarring or cirrhosis. Cloves may modulate liver enzymes, which play a crucial role in metabolizing and detoxifying substances that pass through the liver. This action may help reduce the burden on the liver, ensuring it functions optimally and remains healthy. Furthermore, cloves contain a good amount of essential oils that have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a significant contributor to numerous liver issues, including liver fibrosis. The anti-inflammatory properties of these essential oils may help reduce inflammation in liver tissues, aiding in the prevention of progressive liver conditions and supporting overall liver health. According to an animal study, clove extract may improve liver damage caused by toxic substances. 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. Finding it hard to manage blood sugar? Add clove water to your nighttime routine. It may play a significant role in regulating blood sugar levels. There are specific components, such as nigericin in cloves, that interact with the body's metabolic processes. Nigericin acts by increasing the uptake of glucose into cells, which helps in reducing blood sugar levels after meals. This is particularly important for individuals with insulin resistance or diabetes, as it aids in maintaining a stable blood sugar levels throughout the night and prevents the spikes and drops that may occur. In addition to that, cloves may help regulate blood sugar due to their antioxidant properties. Antioxidants may help improve insulin sensitivity by protecting pancreatic beta cells from oxidative stress. These cells are responsible for insulin production. Insulin is crucial for the regulation of blood glucose levels. Enhancing its effectiveness may lead to more stable blood sugar readings. Improved insulin sensitivity means the body may better process glucose in the blood, leading to lower and more controlled blood sugar levels. Moreover, the fiber content in cloves, though less prominent when consumed as clove water, may still contribute to blood sugar regulation. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, providing a steadier increase rather than sharp spikes. Regular consumption of clove water may thus help moderate blood sugar rises after meals, which is essential for long-term glucose management. In a 30-day study, both people with and without prediabetes who consumed 250 milligrams of clove extract every day had significantly reduced blood sugar levels after eating. 5. Promotes healthy sleep. There is a strong connection between drinking clove water at night and sleep quality. A primary factor is the mild sedative effect eugenol, a key component found in cloves. Eugenol may act on the central nervous system to promote relaxation and alleviate stress. It is crucial for initiating the sleep process. By calming the nerves and reducing anxiety, eugenol may help the body transition into a restful state more easily. Thus, clove water makes it simpler to fall asleep and stay asleep through the night. Another element in cloves that aids in improved sleep is their anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation may be a source of discomfort and pain, which are common culprits behind disrupted sleep. The anti-inflammatory compounds in cloves may help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the muscles and joints. Thus, it may alleviate pain that might otherwise hinder the ability to relax fully at bedtime. Additionally, coals may influence sleep quality through their effect on digestive health. Discomfort from indigestion or bloating may significantly impair sleep quality. The digestive enhancing properties of cloves may include the promotion of enzyme secretion and motility in the gastrointestinal tract. It may ensure that digestion is smooth and less likely to cause discomfort during the night. This aspect is crucial because a settled stomach may contribute to uninterrupted sleep, allowing for deeper and more restorative sleep cycles. 6. Boosts immune system. When you drink clove water at night, it may significantly bolster the immune system. One of the primary elements that may enhance immune function is the high antioxidant content of cloves. Antioxidants are crucial for protecting cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. This cellular protection may help maintain the integrity of and functionality of immune cells. It may ensure that they are effective in fighting infections and reducing the risk of illness. Along with that, cloves may contribute to immune system health through the presence of micronutrients like vitamin C and zinc. Vitamin C is well known for its role in enhancing the immune defenses. It may support various cellular functions of both the innate and adaptive immune systems. Zinc, on the other hand, is essential for the development and function of immune cells such as neutrophils and natural killer cells. Together, these micronutrients in clove water may help strengthen the body's ability to ward off pathogens and recover more quickly from illnesses. Additionally, the antimicrobial properties of cloves may play a direct role in boosting the immune system. By actively fighting against bacteria, viruses, and fungi, cloves may reduce the burden on the immune system, allowing it to conserve resources and respond more effectively to other challenges. This antimicrobial action may help in maintaining a healthier internal environment, particularly in the gut, where a significant portion of the immune system is located. 7. Anti-inflammatory effects. Clove water's anti-inflammatory properties are primarily derived from compounds found in cloves, such as eugenol and flavonoids, which are natural anti-inflammatory agents. These compounds may work by inhibiting the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, such as prostaglandins and cytokines, which are often implicated in inflammatory responses. By reducing the levels of these chemicals, clove water may help alleviate inflammation throughout the body. The benefits of this anti-inflammatory action are extensive and impact various aspects of health. For instance, reducing systemic inflammation may help manage and prevent chronic diseases like arthritis, where inflammation may cause joint pain and stiffness. By decreasing inflammation, clove water may relieve these symptoms, improving mobility and quality of life for individuals with inflammatory conditions. Furthermore, inflammation is a known contributor to the development of cardiovascular diseases. It may play a role in the formation of atherosclerotic plaques in the arteries. By mitigating inflammation, clove water may help reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. This protective effect may extend beyond just the cardiovascular system, as chronic inflammation is also linked to other serious conditions, including certain types of cancer and neurodegenerative diseases. 8. Maintains oral health. Earlier, we told you that drinking clove water at night before bed may have significant benefits for oral health. The reason behind is eugenol, which has strong antiseptic and anesthetic properties. Eugenol may effectively combat oral pathogens that may cause various dental issues such as cavities, gingivitis, and periodontal diseases. By reducing the bacterial load in the mouth, eugenol may help prevent the formation of plaque, which is the leading cause of gum disease and tooth decay. Another important aspect of clove water for oral health is its anti-inflammatory properties. These properties may help soothe inflamed gums and other tissues in the mouth. Conditions like gingivitis and periodontitis involve inflammation and swelling of the gums, which may be quite painful. The anti-inflammatory effects of cloves may help reduce this inflammation, providing relief from discomfort and helping to heal the affected areas. Additionally, cloves are rich in antioxidants, which may further contribute to overall oral health. Oxidative stress in the oral cavity may lead to cellular damage and the aging of oral tissues, contributing to the development of oral diseases. The antioxidants in clove water may help neutralize harmful free radicals. Therefore, it may protect the mouth from disease and support the maintenance of healthy oral tissues. In a 2016 study, clove oil showed the most significant improvement in reducing cavity-causing germs among 10 different natural plants. 9. Improves bone health. Cloves are a good source of manganese, an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in bone formation and maintenance. Manganese may aid in the production of enzymes and antioxidants. These compounds are important for the formation of bone cartilage and bone collagen. Manganese is also involved in the mineralization of the bone matrix. Regular intake of manganese through clove water may help in maintaining bone density and structure. It is especially important as we age and our bones naturally begin to weaken. Apart from that, the anti-inflammatory properties of cloves also benefit bone health. Chronic inflammation may lead to bone resorption, where bones are broken down faster than they are formed. Thus, it may lead to conditions such as osteoporosis. The compounds in cloves that have anti-inflammatory effects may help mitigate this risk by reducing inflammation. Hence, it may protect bone health and maintain bone density. Moreover, the antioxidant properties of cloves may play a significant role in protecting bones. Oxidative stress may accelerate bone aging and contribute to bone diseases. The antioxidants in clove water, such as flavonoids and isoflavones, may combat oxidative stress and protect bone cells from damage. This antioxidant activity may ensure that bone cells function properly and continue to renew and repair as needed. According to an animal study, supplementation with a hydroalcoholic extract of dried clove buds restored bone density, bone mineral content, and bone tensile strength in osteoporosis. 10. Enhances skin health. When we talk about skin health, our diet becomes a crucial factor. Similarly, a cup of clove water at night may significantly enhance skin health, largely due to the unique properties of cloves that directly benefit the skin. Its antimicrobial properties are particularly beneficial for the skin because they may help combat bacteria, fungi, and other pathogens that may cause skin infections and acne. By reducing microbial growth on the skin, clove water may help maintain clear and healthy skin, preventing breakouts and other skin disturbances. Inflammation is a root cause of many skin issues, including redness, swelling, and irritation, which may lead to more serious skin conditions if not managed. The anti-inflammatory compounds in clove water may soothe the skin, reducing inflammation and associated symptoms, thus promoting a more even skin tone and texture. Moreover, the antioxidants in cloves may play a crucial role in enhancing skin health. Antioxidants protect the skin from oxidative stress caused by environmental pollutants and UV radiation, which may lead to premature aging, wrinkles, and dull skin. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, the antioxidants in clove water may help preserve the firmness and vibrancy of the skin. These antioxidants also aid in skin repair and regeneration, ensuring that the skin remains resilient and youthful. According to a study, researchers suggest that clove oil significantly improves itching in comparison to petroleum oil. Now let's see how you can prepare clove water. Preparing clove water is quite simple and doesn't require many ingredients. Start by boiling a cup of water in a small pot or saucepan. Once the water is boiling, add the whole cloves. You may adjust the amount of cloves based on how strong you want the flavor and benefits to be. Generally, 1 to 2 teaspoons should suffice. Reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will allow the water to infuse with the oils and compounds from the cloves, extracting their full range of benefits. After simmering, remove the pot from heat and let the clove water cool down to a comfortable drinking temperature. Strain the mixture to remove the cloves. You may drink the clove water as is or add a slice of lemon or a teaspoon of honey for flavor enhancement. These additions are optional but may make the drink more enjoyable. Drinking clove water before going to bed may provide these extensive health benefits, thanks to the powerful natural compounds found in cloves. As with any natural remedy, moderation is key, and it's advisable to consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your health regimen. Today we learned about all the good things that happen because of the benefits of cloves. But did you know that foods and drinks that are common in your diet may be just as helpful? Want to find out more? Watch what happens to your body when you drink coffee every day. Or watch 11 powerful longevity foods doctors eat every day to live longer. You can watch either or both of them. Will you be drinking more clove water from now on? Let us know in the comments section below.